Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Yeah. Well, good morning everybody. Hey, I've decided to water this morning, and in my video I said I'm gonna water and throw down an inch all at once and just do one watering a week. Well, I had a little bit of a late start this morning, but that's fine. But it's been an hour, and I'm gonna see how much water I received in an hour. And I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys right now. I have two tuna cans out here. So in this one area, this one spot on my lawn. So I'm gonna move my sprinkler here in a minute. I'm gonna let it keep going while I talk to you guys and show you the cans. All right, so again, been watering for about an hour, thinking it's gonna be throwing a lot of water down. So I was like, oh, an inch, that'll be quick. It is not, at least not for me. Here's what it looks like. All right, guys, that's maybe a quarter. They're obviously in different parts of the yard, and that's all you get, guys. So would you consider that it's had about a quarter of an inch, or would you add those together and say I've had half an inch? Either way, guys, that's crazy. I'm about to show you the back right now. All right, so the backyard has been going at the same. I love that I took my 100-foot hose from the front, which didn't need to be, and put it towards the back with the other 100-foot, so I can do it again. But let's see what the back has got, has received. Now, the back started a little bit after the front, so this has been going probably a little bit less than an hour. So we'll see what the tuna cans tell. All right, guys, so I mean, not a whole bunch, less than a quarter, I believe. But again, that's after about an hour of watering. So I just can't leave it out there like that, because that's gonna take another at least a couple hours to get an inch in. So maybe I won't do what I said. But I'm about to change out these right here. I already changed out the front, different position. So I'm gonna change these up, move them around, and go from there. But thought I'd show you guys real quick. All right, guys, see you later.